again. How are you guys doing this afternoon? No, much better. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful San Antonio Riverwalk. Welcome to Rio San Antonio Cruises. Now, before you and I are going to get an opportunity to actually start our tour today, I need to make sure that everyone knows a little bit about safety. At the very front of our boats is a blue box, and those are all of our life jackets. As you might imagine, I'm going to ask that everyone remain seated. So there's absolutely no standing on our tour. We're also going to ask that out of the courtesy of your fellow passengers that you refrain from cell phone conversations during our tour. There's no smoking, vaping, or e-cigarettes allowed on our boats. And of course, please do not drop your cell phone, your camera, or anything else into the San Antonio River. Anything that is lost or dropped from the water today will immediately sink to the bottom, and you and I will not be able to retrieve it. So we will not be stopping our boat for anything lost in the water. Having said that, my name is Anthony, and if you guys have any questions during our tour, you are more than welcome to ask. Oh, this is going to be a good time, folks. We're going to hang out for about half an hour, and I'll bring you back to where we started. During that time, we're going to see about 2.2 miles of the river. Now we're going to start right here. When you and I come out of this bridge, you're going to want to look on the left side of our boat, straight in the air. And you're going to see a building called the NIS Hospital. N-I-S, left side of our boat. That building opened in 1930 as San Antonio's very first full-service hospital. 1930. Hey, how you doing? Now, of course, I'm not going to know who on our boat has already visited the Alamo. But I want you guys to know that this hotel directly in front of us, with all these hotel windows looking at our boats, if that hotel, the Hyatt Regency, were not there right now, you and I would be looking directly at the Alamo. So in the early 80s, when they built the Hyatt Regency, the state of Texas had to tell San Antonio how tall it could be, because if it were any taller, it would illegally cast a shadow on the burial spot of a fallen Texas soldier. So when you go to Alamo Plaza today and you see a bunch of short buildings, I want you to know that's why. We cannot cast a shadow on the Alamo mission. Oh, we turn this corner right here. You guys are going to want to look right in front of our boat, and you're going to see a beautiful building. Alright, you're going to see it right now in front of us. You'll see the Texas flag at the very top. Alright, the building in front of our boat right now is called the Casino Club building. And you might be able to tell from its name, Casino Club. There used to be a time in the 1920s when that building was a private club. It was only open to San Antonio's German business owners. But if you look at it now, it's the building coming up on our right. You see the bottom portion is the Soulgrass Steakhouse. And all those windows above it, those were all apartments overlooking the water. Now, ladies and gentlemen, even though you're taking our tour right now, I want you to know that we provide other services here on the water. Coming up on the right, you're going to see a boat stopping. That boat has two checkered flags. You're going to notice people on the boat have umbrellas. This is our Rio Taxi on the right side of our boat. Alright, so you're going to want to wave at them. Alright, of course, the Rio Taxi is where you're going to see beautiful women. Hey, guys. Now, make sure you guys see the taxi. When you wave them down, you can just get tickets on the boat. And it is literally going to take you down the entire river. The whole river takes about an hour and a half to see. And you can get on and off wherever you please. So, of course, we also put umbrellas on that boat because they're out for about an hour and a half. If you guys look around right now, we're at River Square, so you're going to see a lot of restaurants. Now, quick question for those on the boat. Does anybody on our boat today know why the Riverwalk is here? Yes, please not everybody at once. That's rude to interrupt each other. Alright, thank you. Okay, yes. Alright, good answer. Oh, no, unfortunately that's not it. If you guys look right here on the right side of our boat, you're going to see why the Riverwalk is here. Alright, you're going to see a little statue of Robert Hudman on the stairs. In the 1920s, Robert Hudman idea that Eric's going to show that pose, I have to show you the man-made part of the river. At the moment, we're going to be underneath the shade. Currently, you and I are sitting underneath Alamo Street Bridge. And it is this part of our tour when I want to make the division. What is currently behind our boat right now, everything west of Alamo Street, is the natural San Antonio River. Alright, behind our boats is the natural San Antonio River, just surrounded by stores and restaurants. But in front of our boats, east of Alamo Street, is the completely man-made part of the river, made for the convention center and the River Center Mall. I will show you later. The question must be then, why San Antonio would make a new part of the river? Alright, that's a great question. Thank you. The truth is that in 1968, San Antonio hosted what we call the World's Fair. Some refer to it as Hemisphere 68. But in a nutshell, it was a giant carnival that took place in 1968 here downtown. San Antonio built a part of the river you and I are sitting in so they could entertain people